Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Square Appointments UI templates for booking UX step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Square Appointments. Once the page loads, navigate to the dashboard. Log into your Square account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, look for the Appointments tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Appointments tab to access your booking settings. Now, locate the UI Templates section within the Appointments interface. Click on the UI Templates link to view available designs. You will see a list of various templates specifically for booking UX. Scroll through the options to find the template that suits your needs. Once you find a desired template, click on it to view more details. On the template detail page, look for the download button. Click the download button to initiate the download process. The template should now be saved to your device's default download folder. Open the folder where your download is saved. Locate the downloaded template file. If necessary, extract the file if it's in a zip format. Now, open your design software or platform to begin customizing the template. Import the downloaded template into your design software. Make any adjustments or customizations as needed for your booking workflow. Once satisfied with your changes, save your customized template. You can now use your new template to enhance your booking experience. This completes the step-by-step instructions for downloading Square Appointments UI templates for booking UX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.